Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. Today I'm looking at window management and specifically an application that's been around for well over 10 years now and somehow it hasn't made it into our archive. Now BetterSnapTool is by the same developer as its big brother, BetterTouchTool, which I use daily for automating my keyboard and trackpad on macOS. Well, BetterSnapTool helps level up your window management by quickly resizing windows and a lot more besides. So let's see it. Now I'm going to start off by opening it here and we need to grant some OS permissions to it. So I'm going to click the blue button and the accessibility section in privacy and security comes up. So I'm going to flick the toggle here for BetterSnapTool, then authenticate and we're good. Now, there may be some times when you need to enable permission to screen recording as well. Now, this is entirely optional because in the main, it's going to work well without it. However, there are some applications that are going to need this if you're going to manage their windows. So I'm going to leave it for now, and I'm just going to enable it later on in the video should we be prompted. Now, it's running, and I can see that from the menu bar icon here, which I'm going to click, and then open preferences. So the preferences is split into a number of sections. I'm just going to cover the base functionality here in general quickly first. And the reason being, dependent on when you view this video, some of the functionality is actually going to be included in macOS, starting with macOS Sequoia, but only a very small amount. So in Sequoia, you can drag a window and it's going to snap to the left of the screen or to the right, as well as the 4 quadrants as well. Very similar to what we have here in BetterSnapTool. So let's open some windows. I'll have Safari, I'll have Notes, and we'll have Drafts open here. So out of the box, I can click on a window, then drag to the edge of the screen here, and we can see that snap into place. Then Notes here, I'm going to drag up into this top right-hand corner, and then into Drafts, where I'm going to put this in the bottom right. So very quick, very easy, and achievable with macOS Sequoia soon as well. And also, if I click here and then drag it to the top, that maximizes the window without putting it into full screen mode.
That's just a